factorial notation. Now what this represents, just look here. Now the notation n with sign of exclamation like this one, okay, or like this one, n, okay. So just make a straight line like this one, okay. So the notation, if it is written in this manner or in this manner, represents the product of first n natural numbers for example the product one times 2 times 3 times n minus 2 n minus 1 n, okay, or writing in reverse order, we can write it n. Now I am not using symbol for multiplication, okay, I am just writing n, n minus 1, n minus 2, then 3, 2, 1, okay, like this one is denoted by notation n factorial or n. Now we read the notation this one as n factorial, okay. So in future we are going to use word only n factorial like this one. It can be a factorial of any of the number. Now just look here what I am writing now. Now 1 factorial, this is always 1, okay. So we can write it as, now 1 factorial is equal to 1 times 0 factorial, okay, which is equal to 1. So 0 factorial is equal to 1, and we are stopping always at the 0 factorial, but we are not writing it, okay, and we are not going factorial part for the negative integer, okay. So now for example 2 factorial, to 2 factorial we can write it 2 into 1, then 3 factorial we can write it 3 times 2 times 1, similarly 4 factorial we can write it 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 like this one, okay. It means what? You can just check it, when n is written there, then next term is less than 1 less than n, next term is 1 less than n minus 1. Is it clear? So now clearly n factorial is equal to n with n minus 1 factorial, means first term we have to write as it is. Now just check it. For 3 factorial I wrote 3, then 3 minus 1, that was 2, then 2 minus 1, that is 1, like this one term is reducing, okay. So n factorial, whatever n is, next term will be n minus 1, and we have to put factorial there. Remember, we have to put factorial there. Okay. Now just look, if I am writing n minus 1, then next term will be n minus 2 factorial. Wherever we have to stop, unless and until we are not getting 1, then we have to put a factorial there. Is it clear? So similarly we can write it n minus 1, next will be n minus 2, then it will be n minus 3 factorial. So like this we can go for the factorial part. Okay. Now recap is what? Is n factorial. This is called n factorial. Okay. So this was all about the notation for the factorial.